I got a video I want to make to throw some questions out there with a dilemma that I'm having in my current research. I can't mentally experiment the answers to or the relationship between weight and acceleration or the form of converting a weight into a measurement of a speed. And I came up with these couple of different ways to be able to do that. One would be to take a 10-pound object on the Earth's surface and then in free floating space have a platform that's accelerated in upward or in a single direction, where the object on the platform, when it reaches a certain speed that makes it match 10 pounds, then that's the speed that it would need to be in meters per second, or that's how you would convert it to meters per second. If it's 10 pounds on the Earth, then you would mimic that by creating a acceleration surface area and once it meets 10 pounds, then you would have the measurement of the mass object in the measurement form of measurement of a speed. So and somehow the speed of 1g also has some role to play in this as well. 9.8 meters per second. I don't know if it's 9.8 meters per second or 9.8 meters per second squared. I think it's per second squared. But one of my other questions was, if 1g is 9.8 meters per second, does that mean that 19.6 meters per second is 2g? Is that how you would go about measuring what 2g is and 3g is, and so on and so forth? Is that how the numbers go or the measurements go? I'm just curious about that. And the other way that I was thinking that you could measure an object's mass in the form of a speed is by using like a merry-go-round, or like the gravitron at amusement parks, if you've ever been on that ride. But it deals with this spinning merry-go-round like ride, and you would mimic 10 pounds of the object on the wall, on the edge of the ride, basically right there at the edge. So once you got up to a certain speed, going around and around on the merry-go-round, whatever speed that is, then that speed would equal the mass of the object once you meet 9.8 meters per second squared, or the 1g. So like, this is a way that you would mimic 1g of an object on the surface of the Earth by doing it either like this somehow, or probably makes more sense would be this. But that's the thing. Is doing it like this the same as doing it like that? Like, if you measure the object's weight on the edge of something as it goes in a circle, is the mimic weight that you get from that speed that it's going in a circle, going to be the same as a platform going in a straight line, or does it would the numbers be different? If you mimicked 10 pounds on something moving in a circle, and then mimicked 10 pounds on a platform that was just accelerated upward, would the speeds that you get for both of these experiments be the same, or would they differ? I'm not sure which one to go by, because I need to have an object's weight in the measurement form of a speed in order to use this formula, the formula for angular velocity, or centripetal force, which is mass times velocity divided by radius. And that's the formula that I want to use for my research, but I need m to be in the measurement of a speed, because velocity is going to be in a speed, and r is going to be in a measurement that is used in speeds, so that's also going to be in meters. So I need mass to be in meters, or meters per second, and then I can continue my research. But I need to do these two experiments to figure out which measurement of speed that I need to use in order to continue my research. I'm just not quite sure what method I should use, or if they're the same or different, or how to go forward. It's kind of in a brick wall here. So anyway, that's where I'm at. Those are my questions. Thank you for watching.